Another day, another story. In a remote and secluded laboratory, hidden away from the prying eyes of the world, a group of scientists were conducting experiments that pushed the boundaries of what is ethical and humane. Their latest project involved human subjects, and the scientists were so consumed with their work that they lost sight of the ethical implications of their actions. The laboratory was dimly lit, with machines beeping and whirring in the background. The smell of chemicals permeated the air, and the scientists were all huddled around a large, metallic chamber. Inside the chamber lay a human subject, unconscious and connected to tubes and wires that ran to various machines and devices. The lead scientist, Dr. Jameson, stood at the controls of the chamber, his face tense with anticipation. He had been working on this project for years, and he was finally about to see the fruits of his labor. He took a deep breath and flicked a switch, and the chamber began to hum with energy. As the experiment progressed, the scientists realized that they had created something that they couldn't control. The creature they had created was a fusion of human and animal DNA, and it had turned into a savage, bloodthirsty beast. It broke free from its confines and began to attack and kill the scientists, one by one. The remaining scientists were forced to band together and try to survive the rampage of the creature they had created. They had to confront the consequences of their unethical actions and the moral and ethical implications of their work. They questioned the limits of scientific inquiry and the potential for unintended consequences when pursuing scientific discovery without regard for the consequences. As the creature continued its rampage, picking off the scientists one by one, the tension in the laboratory rose to a fever pitch. The scientists struggled to come up with a plan to stop the creature and escape the laboratory alive. They realized that they had gone too far in their pursuit of scientific discovery and had to pay the ultimate price for their actions. The creature was relentless, tearing through the laboratory and leaving destruction and chaos in its wake. The surviving scientists barricaded themselves in a secure room, hoping to wait out the monster's rampage. But it was only a matter of time before the creature broke through their defenses and attacked them. In the end, only a few scientists managed to survive the brutal attack. They left the laboratory shaken and traumatized, knowing that they had crossed a line that should never have been crossed. The story serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of science without conscience and the importance of ethical considerations in scientific research. Thanks for watching.